Number 3. About examination result of Seoul National University Investigation Committee. Dr. Hwang said, the examination result of Seoul National University Investigation Committee is an output of humiliation which is likely to be recorded in national history. Because their parthenogenesis conclusion for entity number 1 is based on total lapses of common sense that partial cell transformation naturally caused by continuous subculture. Even though another co-author, Moon Shin-yong, who is a Seoul National University Hospital obstetrician doctor, was requested to re-examine his holding entity number 1 stem cells by Seoul National University Investigation Committee and prosecutor, but he defied all requests. Of whole members of Seoul National University Investigation Committee, no one deserved to say that entity number 1 was originated from parthenogenesis and furthermore unsuccessful in nucleated eggs. Number 4. About theory of parthenogenesis for entity number 1. Prosecutor said, is it right that so-called entity number 1 embryonic stem cell from somatic cell nuclear transfer in 2004 science paper was caused by parthenogenesis? Judges said, according to the Seoul National University Investigation Committee methodization result of entity number 1, there was not only maternal genes but also existed paternal genes. Is it right? In terms of nuclear transfer stem cells, should the nuclear transplantation be successful? The judge questioned directly to Dr. Hwang due to too many repeated queries of prosecutor. Dr. Hwang said, somatic cell transplantation in the enucleated eggs were observed by microscope, so there was nothing to be failed. But I understood it is disputable due to the ambiguous definition of failure, because there are various steps. What is obvious was that somatic cell plantation into the enucleated eggs was observed by electron microscope. In this way, failure was unable to go on. In case of enucleation procedure of eggs, if we found fraud on it, we had abandoned them as useless. We trust in our experiment. However, we hope this final conclusion was scientifically proven by formation of international consortium who are qualified to do. We have already tested twice for DNA fingerprinting and gene methodization. Whenever we did, the paternal genes were appeared. Therefore, we could not hardly recognize entity number 1 as the origin from parthenogenesis. And furthermore, Seoul National University Investigation Committee team head presenter, who is Jung Myung-hee, in charge of incumbent pharmacist, was flip-flopping at his final conclusion in the Media Korea Broadcasting System program In Depth 60 Minutes. In these circumstances, there was nothing more than probing by international consortium.